Good morning, Debate here with a quick trade walkthrough, not breakdown because I'm still in the trade. I quickly thought I would like to show you how I took this trade on GU, what my expectations are. I'm currently running it at break even, and let's see what happens. It's on GU, and I don't think, yeah, we're still in the trade. Came close to break even, so it's just a good trade, I think, to show you guys that I'm in the trade and I just wanted to show it, put it out there, and yeah, let's see what happens. If it's a loss, that won't be a loss, it would be break even or a win. So let's have a look. So this is GU this morning. Looking at price and seeing that we are in this, we had this impulse. So this is our last low on the 15-minute, and that is the high, and that is the move. So I'm looking to take a trade in the lower half of this move, so the discounted area of this impulse towards the upside. It got very messy, a lot of consolidation, and then price. So first of all, this was the area we had some liquidity down below these lows. This was our Asian session high and low. Looking at price, looking at to see how price reacts around those areas, the high and the low. So there were a few trade opportunities in and around Frankfurt Open and London Open. So yes, price was relatively messy, not giving us any super clear indication of what it's going to do or where it's heading. But in the morning, when I did the morning analysis for the group, I identified this 5 minute. I identified this 5 minute candle, this supply level, demand level, and breaking towards the upside. It broke this structure over here. So we had that structure break, and yeah, a lot of buying happened in this area. We came back into it, but I like to see 50% of it tapped. So this is just the GAN, how do you pronounce it? GAN box. I just plotted on it to get the 50% of it, and that is then typically where I would put my entry. So those are more my aggressive entries, and then the target is just this last level of supply, that has not yet been tapped into. So that is just a take profit area. How did I manage this trade? How did I get in? Well, basically just I think I was at the chart, so I didn't do limit, I did an instant execution on the 1 minute. We see price Frankfurt opened over here. Price tried to break, just tapped the Asian high, and then we saw the push towards the downside. Price came back down, back up into this area again, so potentially this could have been a short somewhere in this area, a short. I didn't take a short there, but maybe. And then price came, tapped our area, my area perfectly, and then quick reaction towards the upside, came back down, almost, well, just got close to entry, and then a quick reaction towards the upside again. Now it's failing to move up, and it's failing to make low. So it's, for me, that's still indecisive. Maybe in this video we'll get a break even. That would be cool. Well, it would be realistic. Let's just say realistic. The baby is, I don't know if you can hear the baby. He's laughing at himself in the background, making noises. So that's where our break even is. So this is just, well, what I saw and took this opportunity. There might be some stuff wrong with it. I might have missed something, but just showing you what I saw and how I approached it and I took the trade. Ideally, I don't think this will be a break-even trade because we did not break this structure. So ideally, this structure would need to be broken, and that would give us much more confirmation that we will go higher, but we failed to break above this structure, so we kind of just made another lower low, so lower high, sorry. So price is failing to really push towards the upside. It's just trading, just moving sideways. So let's look at the DXY. I just want to see, Yes, the DXY is still pushing up as well. So if the DXY starts pumping down, we might see some more confluence for price to go lower. Let's see how price reacts around this old high. If we maybe tap it and then move towards the downside, and then on the DXY we have this area as well that I do believe is a supply area, and price can potentially see reaction from that area. Just got the notification we are stopped out at break even. So clearly there's not yet enough buying power in this area, and there's definitely a few areas down here where price can react from and move towards the upside. But now let's put all of this aside. I'm just gonna I just want to group this. There is it. So let's just group this. This is the 18th. There's 19th. That's London. Okay. So let's just have a look at the higher time frame and see, because you can often get lost on the lower time frames. So again, I knew the price, we can expect a bigger push towards the upside. So that is definitely, we have this area on the 1 hour that needs to be broken if we're going to move towards the downside even further. And then there are multiple areas over here that price can react from. So if we break and close below this level, I would definitely expect price to go a bit lower. So if we see the break, pullback, I would definitely think that we might see price going lower. Just dropping down to the 15-minute again. We have this extreme area as well, supply demand area. This actually demand. We have this extreme as well. So price, I would not be surprised if price reacts from this area. If we see a tap in this area and then a continuation up higher. But I think this is maybe getting a bit more aggressive in the sense of biased, long biased. Maybe you should start looking for shorts, but it's also, price is not really giving us enough momentum going short yet. Just looking at the 1 hour, the 1 hour looks rather bearish to me actually now, but this 42410 level is an area that I'm interested in, and that's just getting it from this previous wick that we have up there. If price can maybe reach for that area. If we look at the 4 hour, a major 4 hour level is this area over here where price can reach back into. So I think maybe we could look now for shorts, but in the morning it made sense to look for longs, and I tried to stick with the plan. So let's see how price reacts. This is not a trade now, I'm just showing you. So yeah, let me know what you think. This is trade breakdown, trade management, trade break even setup kind of thing happening out here. Quite happy with it, and what I like about it and what I like about where I'm at now is I do my analysis, I take the trade. If it's a loss, it's a loss, and I walk away and I am done, because I look at the set time to trade at from around 7 to 11. That is a time period that I want to see some trades happening. If there's nothing in that time period, then there's nothing. And you can see this one is right on the edge, at the edge of my trading period. So nothing else happened in this area, no entry, then nothing happens. So that is it. It will be interesting to see if this plays out. Follow it along on your charts, and let's see how this goes. I hope you have a great day and that you enjoy your day. Yes, let me know if you want to see more of this type of real life examples of trades, losing trades, winning trades, break-even trades. This morning I thought to myself, like, really, trading should be a set thing you do. Look for your opportunities, then you walk away. If you sit in front of the charts all day looking for opportunities, it's going to be terrible for you. You're really not going to enjoy it. So yeah, try to trade less. less is more, as they say. So hope you have a great day, and if you stay till the end, super happy. Thank you. Hit that like button, subscribe for future content, and have a great one. Cheers.